Hello, welcome to my next unboxing video. Let's get right to it here. I do not remember which one this is, so let's take a look. A Lima. Didn't come as a shock to anybody. So, this looks like it's the Leopold World War II gun. Get rid of the box here. In my room. And let's take a look. There we go. 303-500. This is an there we go. Decals are included in a little Ziploc bag. Comes in its own bag as well. Auto loading mechanism here. Oh, this is beautiful. And this literally looks like it's never been out of the box. Let's take a closer look at this. Nice imprints, Leopold. Camouflage. It's got some weight to it. This isn't a lightweight model. Like I said, the self-loading mechanism here. Not sure if this does anything. It doesn't have to, obviously. Long barrel. The Leopold was actually a real railway cannon made by the Germans. It was made by Krupp. The designation was K5, and they made two of them that were shipped to Italy in early 1944. And they were called the Leopold, obviously, and the other one was named the Robert. The Germans also made an even larger railway gun. It was called the Heavy Gustav, the Schwere Gustav, and it required parallel tracks to move, and it was an absolutely massive railway gun. This for a model railroad would obviously be nice for something that actually fits. So we have two bases, both with two 3 axles on it. Okay, so this one goes like this, and then this one would go like this. And then we have the railings unused, still attached. This is usually the most fragile part of this train, because once these are attached and they start to dry out, they crack quite a bit. So this is the whole set that I was referring to. The one I got is this one here, which is the 303-500, and then there's a whole set available, 149-704. So I assembled quickly a little section of the new Piko track that I reviewed just a couple weeks ago. So we can put that on there, get a good impression of it. And there you have it. going to keep the decals, which say Leopold, and then it's got different divisions and markings on it. And I'm going to keep the railing separate for the time being. But this is 303-500. I'm pretty sure they make this one in a winter camouflage, but I have not seen it for sale very often. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.